So normally, you see views like this, or you wish to see views like this. Like that, look over there. Like you see all this, like on the TV. And that with everybody in the single world is just me, right here. Nobody else. Me and two ducks swimming, but they think it's the most peaceful thing ever as well. I've been losing my mind, well not losing my mind, but like losing my mental health a little bit. So I started swimming. And then I got stopped swimming in Dovestones. It's a private swimming club. And this I don't swim, but it's a lot safer, a lot private, and I feel a lot more like not like I'm doing something wrong. Like look, who's here? I could go in now. Excuse me, but I'm actually prepared. Look, it's all like the sky. It's just me. Like I chose my bank holiday instead of drinking that bottle of vodka and bottle of red wine that's on my table and just crying myself into oblivion or whenever I got uni, this and that. I come here instead. I'd rather just be here.